Hi, my name is Anish.
My name is Brandon.
And I'm Christian.
And we're the
B
Steve.
Science Guys.
If you're watching this video, then you're probably in a science class, bored out of your heads.
Probably texting or picking your nose. Well, open your eyes and wake up.
This video is not like our competitor, Bill Nye. We are actually educational and informational.
Have you ever wondered how the solar system was made? Well, in this session, we will be talking about the origin of the solar system and the planets.
The solar system and the planets.
The solar system and the planets.
Well, we are here to teach you how it's made. Well, let's go to the laboratory. The accretion is believed to take a few 100,000 to about 20 million years, with the outermost taking the longest to form. About 1 million years after the nebula cooled, the star would generate a very strong solar wind, which would sweep away all of the gas left in the protoplanetary nebula.
Saturn compressed from a protostar, and the rest of the gas orbits around it. Most of that gas flows inward and adds to the mass of the forming star. But the gas is rotating. The centrifugal force from that prevents some of the gas from reaching the forming star. Instead, it forms an accretion disk around the star. The disk radiates away its energy and cools off.
The gas-orbiting star, protostar, may be unstable and stay to compress under its own gravity. The dust particles collide with each other and form into larger particles. This goes on until the particles get to the size of boulders and small asteroids. Once the larger of these particles get big enough to have a non-trivial gravity, they grow accelerates. The gravity gives them an edge over smaller particles. It pulls in smaller particles and very quickly.
The accretion is believed to take a few 100,000 to about 20 million years, with the outermost taking the longest to form. About 1 million years after the nebula cooled, the star would generate a very strong wind, which would sweep away all of the gas left in the protoplanetary nebula.
At this point, the solar system is composed only of solid, protoplanetary bodies and gas giants. The planetesimals would slowly collide with each other and become more massive. Eventually, after 10 to 100 million years, you end up with 10 or so planets in stable orbits, and that's the solar system. These planets and their surfaces may be heavily modified by the last big collision they experience.
Tired of playing video games? Sick of watching scary movies? Well, why not buy the ABC Science Kit? It features planet-making kits and an information book. It's only $95.99. Wow, that is crazy. It's worth less than an iPod, but much better than one.
What are you talking about? iPods are way better than a boring science kit. I find it more interesting beating you up than a science kit. This is worthless.
You mean priceless?
No, I mean worthless. $95.99? That is a ripoff. No one in their right mind would buy this piece of crap.
I would like to buy the ABC Science Kit.
Our solar system was created when a giant rotating cloud of gas and dust in space started to fuse. They were pulled towards and together and towards the middle of the gas and dust cloud by their gravitational attraction to one another. As they compressed, the particles collided faster and more often, which caused the dust and the gas to heat up. The gas and the dust in the middle collapsed to form a central star of the solar system. The heat caused by the colliding particles started nuclear fusion in its core. If there was enough angular momentum, which is the linear momentum of a particle, in the system at the very beginning, then not all of this gas and dust would go in the central star. The rest of the dust and gases would remain in a flattened disk around the star. The planets formed from this disk of rotating material as it clumped together because of gravity.
This is not the only way people thought the solar system was created. There are many ways of it being created, according to different cultures. Have you ever wondered, where did the solar system name come from? Sol is the Latin name of the sun. So to translate it to English, the name solar system means the sun system.
Man, this is really exhausting. Explaining the solar system is very hard work.
Oh, now that we're done the show, can we go to our break?
Well, as long as Christian doesn't punch me in the face again.
Well, you just wasted about $100 on a science kit. You could have at least bought a PS2 with that much money, so we could play after the show.
Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something off this video.